Oh, good. All right, here we go. Our review packet. So let's talk about number one. All right, number one, we're using a 45-90 triangle. That means that these two sides, we'll call it A root 2. I think Logos uses X, and X root 2. All right. That means these two sides are going to be the same. So if this is 6, then V is 6. If 6 is my A value, then U is 6 root 2. All right, again, number 2, I got a 45-90 triangle. This is across from my 90 degrees, so that is my A root 2 or X root 2 side. That means my A value is 5, which makes this 5 and this 5 as well. All right. All right, number 3. Number 3 is when it's not like it should be. This 10 is my A root 2 side, so I would set A root 2 equal to 10, and then solve for A. There's two ways we can do this. One way is I would square both sides and get 2A squared equals 100 divided by 2. A squared equals 50, and then square root it, and that breaks down into 25 and 2, which makes A 5 root 2. I could have also done it where I said, so if you're in my class, we do it this way, all right, but you can also do it this way as well. Divide by root 2. So A equals 10 over root 2, and then rationalize it like that. So it's A equals 10 root 2 over 2, which is 5 root 2. Either way, you'll get the same answer, and that means 5 root 2 is this side, and then 5 root 2 is also that side as well. Okay, same idea with number 4. I can do it both ways. How about this? I'll do number 4 like this. So then I can square both sides. So I get 2A squared equals 4 divided by 2. A squared equals 2. So A equals root 2. And that root 2 goes here, and that root 2 goes there. I could have also done it like this. A equals 2 over root 2 times root 2 times root 2. A equals 2 root 2 over 2, which cancels out, and you get root 2. Okay, let's go to number 5. Number 5, I feel alive. This is my A root 2 side. So again, I can do this two ways. I set A root 2 equal to 6. Whoops. Square both sides. 2A squared equals 36. Remember, I have to square the root 2, which cancels that out, and then I have to square the A as well. I square both. I square both numbers. That's why it's 2A squared and not just 2A. A squared equals 18. Square root it. This simplifies into 9 and 2. So A equals 3 root 2. So this is 3 root 2, and this is 3 root 2. Some of us may be able to tell a shortcut as well. All right, like what do I have to multiply to root 2 to get 6? Oh, it's 3 root 2. Again, I could also do it like this and divide by root 2, divide by root 2. All right, and then go from there. That's the same process. You'll get the same answer. I'm going to go on to the next page.